perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and
Lost and Unbound. I am a V3 RIQ. jaycanada. Shake Firth Bake. P2 is name. JuiceMan. NBA 2K. TDBarrett. King Shawnn. iPodKingCarter. Gento. Shakedown 2012. NotYourAverageFlight. QJB. HankDaTank. Korzemba. LSK. Agent 0. JesserTheLazer. Smoove. CashNasty. Troydan. KOT4Q.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.
his senses and time perception